Why won't Snapchat let me use my camera? So if you are facing the problem that when you open up your Snapchat, your camera function is not working. So if you have this problem, make sure that you open up your camera of your phone and check that if it is working. If the camera on your phone is working, on only not the camera of Snapchat, then you can do a couple of fixes. To get started, head over to the settings of your phone and find an option which says app or app manager. If you don't find it, you can also search it on the search bar. Open up the app settings and tap on manage apps. Here find the app of Snapchat. Search for Snapchat. Now after you open up this, make sure that the camera permission is allowed. Tap on app permissions and make sure that this camera permission is allowed. If yours is on deny, make it allow. After that, you can tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache. If your phone's default camera is also not working, you can also tap and hold on the camera icon and then head over to app info. Here make sure that the camera permission is allowed again. Make sure the camera permission is ticked to allow. And again you can clear data and cache of camera also. So those were the couple of fixes that you can try out to fix this problem. Other than that, you can also try to update your app of Snapchat. Updating apps also fixes these kind of minor issues which may be causing the problem. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you guys found this video to be helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be back soon with more videos similar to this.